Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Learning Tips. So in today's video we'll be discussing the practical problems of probability. So here I have included some definition for that, not definition, formulas. So that is what is the basic formula of probability? The total number of ways an event can occur divided by total number of possible outcomes. Now probability of something not occurring is equal to 1 minus probability of it occurring. That is probability of not A equal to 1 minus probability of A. Now for mutually exclusive events means when one event is happening, the other cannot occur simultaneously. Basically, it means that two events cannot occur at the same time simultaneously. So for mutually exclusive events, the formula is probability of event A or event B occurring is equal to probability of event A plus probability of event B occurring. That is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Now for independent events, that is two events that can happen simultaneously and it is not dependent on each other. So for independent event, probability of event A and event B occurring is equal to probability of event A into probability of event B. Okay. So I hope it is clear. So let's move on to the first problem here. I hope it is visible. So here the first problem is a coin is thrown 3 times. Now what is the probability that at least one head is obtained? Okay, so here what we are going to do is first we are going to find out the sample space. Sample space means if a coin is thrown 3 times, what are the possible outcomes, total number of outcomes that we will be getting. So first we will write sample space. We can say n of s. So what are the various possibilities? So see, let H be heads and T is tails. So if a coin is tossed 3 times, what are the various possibilities that we'll get? So we'll get either H 3 times, right? Or H 2 tails, H T, 2 heads and 2 tail. Now we could get all tails. Similarly, tail, 1 tail, 2 heads, then 2 tails and 1 head. Then we could get tail, head, heads and tail, heads, tail and heads. So these are the various possible outcomes that we'll get when we are tossing a coin for 3 times. So what is probability? What are the number of a sample space is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the total number of outcomes. Now we have to find out what is the probability that at least one head is obtained. So what are the various probability here? Favorable cases. I'm just going to write probability of favorable cases. So at least one head, that is at least one head should be present. So here one head is there, one head, one head, one head, one head, one head, one head. So except for this, there are 7 other heads. So by the basic formula, total number of outcome is 8. Out of that, the favorable cases that is occurring, that is the probability that one head is obtained is 7 out of 8. Or like one more formula that I have given, that probability of getting at least one head. That is, I've given like probability of, 1 second, I'll just show you the formula. You can even use this formula, that probability of something not occurring. Okay, so here we can say that how many times the probability is not occurring. So that is favorable cases is equal to 1 minus no head not occurring. So that is equal to 1 minus 1 by head is equal to 8 minus 1 by head, 7 by head. So by using this formula also you could get the answer. Now let's move on to the, I hope it is clear. If it is not clear, please mention in the description box. These are very simple. So that is why I am going little bit fast. Let's move on to the next problem. So here I have given the problem as when a dice is rolled. Focusing. Find the probability that an even number is obtained. So that is the problem. Now when a dice is thrown, what is the total number of sample space? S equal to what all will be getting? 1 is there, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See, in a dice there are 6 sides, right? 6 numbers. So now here the question is probability that an even number is obtained. So what are, let's say even number is, out of this we have 2, 4, 6. These are the even numbers from the total sample. So we can say that the probability of getting an even number from the formula, I'll just write, this is the total theorem. The number of times an event is occurring. Okay. Event is occurring divided by the total number of sample space. So here this is 6 and this is 3. 3 times even numbers are occurring. So 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. I hope it is clear. Probability, it is very simple. And here I am just explaining the basics of probability, and later on in other future upcoming videos I will be explaining the other complicated probability examples. Now the last one that I want to discuss in this video is, now two coins are tossed, and find the probability that two heads are obtained. See, previously we had said that a coin is tossed 3 times and at least one of them should be heads. Now here two coins are tossed and find the probability that two heads are obtained. So for that, first what we have to do is we have to find out the total number of sample space. So when two coins are tossed, what are the various possibility? You will get two heads. You can get one head and one tail. Two tail you will get, and you will get one tail and one head. Okay. Now suppose, let us say that E is the event when two heads are obtaining. So what is this? Now this is 4. Okay. N of S is 4. So two heads are obtaining, only one. So number of event is 1. So what is the probability when we are using the formula? Probability of getting, what is the question? Two heads. So probability of E is equal to, you can say N of E by N of S, that is equal to 1 by 4. So that is the answer we are getting. That is when a coin is tossed, two coins are tossed, and you know what is the probability that two heads are obtain. So what we have to do, sample space, we have to write the total number of. So when two coins are tossed, what are the events we are getting? So that is 2h, h tails, 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 tail h. So that is n of s is 4. E, out of that, how many times the two heads are obtained? Two heads are obtained only one time, so we are writing that. Substituting in the formula, we are getting the answer as 1 by 4. So I hope it is clear and you understood what are the basics of probability problems. We'll be discussing further more in the next video. So stay tuned for more videos like this, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.